Hey, what's happening, y'all? It's your boy Big coming at y'all with the little midweek update, trade recaps and all that. You know what I'm saying? It's March 26th, 9:44 a.m. over here on the West Coast. And yeah, it's noon, almost 1 p.m. on the East. But let's get right into today's trades and yesterday's trades as well. But yeah, so today was an amazing day in the markets. I'll start off by saying that I was able to pass my 450K accounts. High risk, of course. Y'all know how I'm coming with these. So we did that this morning with an A plus setup. I made 1,400 yesterday and 1,500 today, or 1,500 both days, basically. But yeah, let's start off with today's trade. Today's trade was amazing. As you can see, we had this huge sell-off. Didn't even catch half the move, but you know what I'm saying, I got my piece. You know what I mean? That's all you need. So yeah, basically, I was very bearish this morning. We had a whole bunch of lows to take out. This low, that low, this low, and there's, you know what I'm saying, towards the new week opening gap. That was another confluence, but basically when I woke up around 6 a.m. or 9 a.m. Eastern, we were in this 1 hour fair value gap. So I was already looking for a setup out of this area, and the first thing I noticed was we had this bearish SMT with ES on the 5-minute, or on all the lower time frames basically, but it was more noticeable on the 5-minute. ES had taken out this high right here, and Boda, can you please shut the fuck up? My bad, man. My cat be so annoying, bro. Like, y'all don't even understand, dog. He just be yapping, trying to get out of my room and terrorize the house. But anyways, we ES took out this high, and yeah, NQ didn't. So we had a bearish SMT there, and then this is all before open, by the way. And then we also had a, what's it called, liquidity sweep. God, why is it so, like, it's because we dropped so much I can't zoom in as much as I want to. Gotta do this shit. My bad, y'all, bear with me. Okay, cool. So yeah, and then we had this liquidity sweep right here. So that's another confluence. We had the SMT with the liquidity sweep right here. It swept out this high but still didn't take out this high, so we're still holding the bearish SMT. And then we had this candle that created the liquidity sweep, left a 1 minute for value gap to invert, and yeah, as soon as we inverted that, I slapped 3 on, and then yeah, basically as it was going into profit, I stacked some more up until 5 mini contracts to take out this low, and that low is all I needed to pass my 50K accounts. So yeah, that was today's trade. This morning was amazing. I also took that on my Apex funded accounts for about 11, or for about 1,000 on each account. So I'm finally over that buffer. Payout coming soon. And yeah, let's get into the yesterday's PM trade that allowed me to make the first 1,500 on these accounts. What's it called? So yesterday, in the moment, we were in a 15-minute fair value gap. I won't have it drawn out here just because I already deleted it because we already pushed way above it. But yesterday we were very bullish, and this was more of a mechanical model opposed to like a with the trend or A plus model with the higher time frame bias. I mean, I guess on the higher time frame we're still technically bearish because you go on the daily, we're still holding bearish structure and stuff. But the trend of the day was bullish, very bullish. In fact, as you can see, we pushed up about 200, 300 points or something like that. But yeah, this was a PM session trade around 11:22, so or 2:22. And yeah, my confluence was we're in a 15-minute fair value gap that we failed to close above. Actually, let me just draw it out for y'all real quick, just cause see what I'm talking about. We were in this 15-minute fair value gap, which we failed to close above. Let me go back. So we closed above it on the 1 minute, but the 15-minute just showed a wick to the upside, and then we had this 1 minute Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency right here. 1 minute SIBI that we rejected. And basically, I just took this 1 minute inversion gap to take out some sell side, right? Yeah, pretty simple trade, honestly. Once we closed below it, I got in with 3. As you can see, got in with 3 at first, and to push in a profit. I stacked 2 more, moved my stop to break even right away because I could do some damage, right? And then we pretty much just got this straight drop to take out sell side into some more imbalances. Ultimately tanking a little bit more, but I already made the profit limit for these accounts for the day. So that was all I needed. I didn't take these trades on my funded account yesterday, just because yesterday I reached my max loss for myself on the funded account. So that's ultimately what led me to start some more evals, honestly. Reset them. It's because I lost yesterday on my funded account, but I still wanted to trade because yesterday's price action was pretty good, not gonna lie. And yeah, I was in the PM session just like, yeah, I'm kind of bored. Like, as bad as that sounds, I'm kind of bored. Like, I could, you know what I'm saying, take some eval trades, and that was the first one I took. Smacked like a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, whatever it was, and got the profit target. And then yeah, this was the second trade of the combine that I smacked. So overall, great week so far. Hopefully it keeps going. This price action keeps up. You know what I'm saying? We keep getting good price action like this that I'm able to capitalize on. Definitely ideal. Would be ideal, you know, for payout and withdrawal circumstances. Like, that'd be amazing. But I'm not gonna push too hard for the second half of the week, just because I feel like we've already gotten blessed with great price action so far. But of course, if it presents itself, I'm gonna take it. You know what I'm saying? That's my job. That's what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, man, I hope you guys are capitalizing on this great price action as well, man. It's been amazing this week. I'm so happy we're finally getting good price action. You know what I'm saying? Like, the month of March has been kind of up and down, very choppy, and ultimately February price action was better so far, you know. But yeah, we're already in the last week of March, so yeah, March overall wasn't that great price action wise, but yeah, I can't complain with a day like this, man. Of course, I wish I would have left runners on my funded accounts, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I was just basically recovering yesterday's loss and some. You know what I'm saying? So didn't want to overstay my. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't want to overdo it and end up, you know what I'm saying, not making much at all. So you know what I'm saying? Just cutting it, walking away, not being greedy. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Taking my base hits, you dig? But yeah, man, I'll probably come at you guys with another video Friday if I take any more trades or have any more updates for y'all. But I will be starting these express accounts for my for Topstep tomorrow, so yeah, be on the lookout for that, man. But yeah, thanks for tapping in, man. I love y'all, man.